Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Fathan Rasim Muhammad. My metric number 81EC4045. I am from SCCJ. My supervisor is Dr. Wahida binti Samsudin. So my project is Integrated Inventory and Sales Management System for Precision Cultivations SD and BHD. So I want to present my progress too. So this is the problem background. So first is manual input of product data, and then second inaccurate inventory tracking, and then the third manual inventory data operation, the fourth time consuming sales and delivery order process, fifth conventional invoice method, sixth manual membership discount processing. The project aim is to develop a cross-platform application with barcode scanner input in order to help a business managing inventory and sales efficiently. Objectives is to elicit the requirements from stakeholders, which are precision cultivation, SD and PhD manager and staff, to design the system process interfaces and architecture based on requirements gathered from stakeholders. The third, to develop the system that appropriate with proposed system design and architecture based on Android and Windows application. Fourth, to perform testing and validation to guarantee the system is accepted by stakeholders and prevents any error and bug. So there's a 5 scope. So the system will assess user to manage and keep track of stock in warehouse, make faster payment process, and deliver the orders. The system is cross-platform. It can be at Windows or Android, and then the system will use scan hardware for point of sales, or using the Android camera for searching the product. And then the fourth is provide user roles and authentication. There's manager and staff, and then lastly the system will enable easier scalability for future integration. So this is my stakeholder, and then this is current system analysis. So the competitor is Zoho and Ecount. Zoho is a large application providing a lot of solution. This is the most complete one, and Ecount, this is simple and affordable system for small to medium business. So this is the comparison I have explained in progress 1. So the point is Zoho is the most is the most big one, but this is too complex. Ecount is not too big, but the features is not complete. So my application ISMS will have a balance between the complexity and the simplicity. This is technology use. So there's barcode technology, Kotlin and WPF for Windows for front end, Kotlin for Android, and WPF for the Windows. And then back end I use ASP.NET Core, and database I use PostgreSQL. So this is the real progress too. So for the methodology I use Agile, because Agile is very efficient and prevents any user dissatisfaction because stakeholder feedbacks. And then for the development, we develop one by one, so incrementally, so we don't plan big in the beginning, and then it is very tolerant to user requirement change. So this is one of the framework of Agile. This is Scrum. So there's a product backlog, sprint backlog, and then this is sprint, usually 1 to 4 weeks. So there's planning, implementation, review, and retrospective, and then it will iterate until all the sprint is successful. So there's a daily scrum to evaluate what things that we have done. So lastly is we finish the completed product. And then this is for the hardware requirements, because this software is cross-platform, so the left is for the PC, for the Windows, and then the right is for the Android. This is for the software requirements, so I use Visual Studio Code for coding in ASP.NET Core, and then Kotlin I use IntelliJ IDEA. For the VPF I use Visual Studio, and then for the runtime simulation, for the if I run from the Kotlin, I use Android emulator. So this is use case diagram. I have 15 use case. So there is a user module, inventory module, barcode module, sales module, and report module. Then this is system access sector. I use MVVM because there is a separation between the view and the business logic, so it will have a better management. So there's some focus on the view and some focus on the model, so there's a separation. And then this is for the user interface. This is for the manage inventory interface, and then this is view order interface, and then this is the menu page with the navigation in here. This is for the Android, and then this is for the desktop. So this is the navigation, and then this is the point of sales page for the customer payment. So that's all from me. Thank you.